Hello students, good morning. Hope you are all fine. Now let's move on. Practical number 21, inorganic double salts. Here we have to prepare potassium aluminum sulfate, that is potash alum. Aluminum sulfate 6.6 gram, potassium sulfate 2.4 gram. Another chemical required is dilute H2SO4. So let's move. First of all, in a beaker we have to pour potassium sulfate we will use here distilled water only. So add little amount of water to dissolve the potassium sulfate. I will add 10 ml. Distilled water. We have to stir to dissolve the potassium sulfate. I will add another 5 ml. And I will heat it to dissolve potassium sulfate. Now we have to make another solution. Another empty beaker, we have to pour aluminum sulfate. Here also we will add little amount of water, 10 ml. Again we have to stir to dissolve the aluminum sulfate. Here we have to check the potassium sulfate dissolve or not. We have to continue stirring. For aluminum sulfate, we have to add 5 to 6 ml dilute H2SO4 . We have to pour 5 to 6 ml dilute H2SO4 to dissolve aluminum sulfate. Here hydrolysis. So hydrolysis, aluminum sulfate from aluminum hydroxide. Here also we have to use to dissolve the aluminum sulfate. With continuous stirring. It prevents hydrolysis, aluminum sulfate and aluminum hydroxide. we have to completely dissolve. Here you can see some of potassium sulfate are not dissolved. So we have to pour mother solution in evaporating dish. So you can see solid potassium sulfate stick, and we have to pour aluminum sulfate too. Here we have to heat continuous. When crystallization reach, then we have to off the heating. Till then we have to continue stirring for crystallization. After cooling the solution, we have to separate the mother liquor with the crystals, and we have to wash crystals with alcohol. But in board practical exam, you have to heat mixture of the solution. No need to filter, or no need to you have to make the crystallization of crystals. So you have to remember, for preparation of double salt, to prepare potassium aluminum sulfate, chemical required 6.6 gram aluminum sulfate, 2.4 gram potassium sulfate. Both the salts you have to dissolve first in different beakers. For aluminum sulfate, you have to add 5 to 6 ml dilute H2SO4 to dissolve. If salts are not dissolved in water, if required, we can heat. So we have to clean solution dissolve. Then after, you have to mix both the solution in china dish as well as evaporating dish. Then you have to heat both the mixture of the solution. Till here, in board practical exam, we have to heat the solution, that's it. Then after, no need to cool it down, no need to filter, and no need to check the crystallization point. Till here, that means you have to heat only. Then after, in board practical exam, you have to write the procedure only, what you have done for preparation. So in next video, we will do another inorganic double salts. Till then, you have to write this all practicals in your practical book, practical record book. First, titration, okay. Then second, inorganic double salts. As soon as possible, please all the students complete the record book. Okay students, bye.